spicy and sweet Tteokbokki, made in Korea by SEMCHORONG. We would like to introduce 3 key values of SEMCHORONG. 1. Cook with just boiling water for simple deliciousness. Enjoy convenient deliciousness anytime and anywhere. Bite-sized rice cakes deliver satisfying chewiness. Every bite delivers a rich sauce-soaked flavor with a perfectly chewy finish. Two, the special jajang sauce achieves a deep, rich flavor. A harmonious taste satisfies both adults and children. We ensure hygiene and safety through HACCP-Certified production systems that meet global food safety standards. Quality is verified through in-house microbial testing. We produce trusted OEM products for major companies. Follow these simple steps to enjoy perfect Tteokbokki every time. Choose from a product lineup with a variety of flavors. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us.